So check it out. I got both of my copper-plated Mercuries sets out tonight. I was able to add 3 more passenger cars that I found on eBay. I found them for like 10 bucks a piece. It was a really good deal because these are harder to find, and even in the rough shape, they're still collectible. The lights all needed to be repaired, and the one was missing a wiper pickup, the pre-war pickup, and I had an extra one. Another one I had to make a light bracket for it, but that was okay. I got it working really good. And so this one is in a little bit better shape than this one. This one, I think, I didn't pay a lot for either one of them. I feel really blessed to own one set, let alone 2. But this one has reproduction handrails on it that I really like. This one, I think I'll get a set of reproduction ones because the copper looks so much better. But I got them all cleaned up and got them running really good, so I thought I'd run them together, and we thought we'd check it out. Here we go. All right. They both run great. I really love the Marx pre-war stuff. It goes great with my tin plate buildings, and they're just really neat. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.